Oh, it came off. Yeah. Oh, he came off.
That's the dolphin that's grabbing it, ripping it off.
That was horrible. That sounded like a T-Rex coming out. Wow. That's terrible. I like this overcast skies this morning.
You wanted that rain cloud.
I know there was one that way. And
One right there. Just hadn't popped out
It
yet.
hadn't popped out. Like this.
Hey, beautiful. Oh. Here we go. Some water.
Seems odd that they put the hinges on that front one this way.
It's got a lock on it. It doesn't have it on it right now.
It's not. Still maybe biting at it?
Keep running.
It's real.
Okay.
Like it's swimming at you.
I feel like it's really, really light.
Swimming to you right now.
Still reel it?
Wait.
Wait.
Stay down here, guys. Stay down here. He's good. Stay, no more reeling.
No more reels.
moss.
Okay.
This bad boy in the boat. Alright, so we just do this there.
You got one too, no? Yeah. Alright, you got that one.
Did it. Good job, lady love.
Woo-hoo!
So usually a lady on the ship.
No, don't tell me that. Not buying it.
Let him run, no. Let
Gotta
him
be
run.
real smooth.
Mom's hooking up on her first fish and then Noah's on his other one.
Gotta be real smooth. Hold on one second. Hold on, we're at it. Lean it on it. Finish. Come on.
Ah,
You're horsey. I mean, just let him run. Hold on one second.
Are you able to keep them or no?
Yeah, we keep. Hold on, we're at it.
Oh, my.
Lean it on it.
Job.
Look at all the little brown polka dots on him.
These are mackerel?
Spanish mackerel.
Spanish mackerel. Nice.
Let him run. You're horsing him. I mean, just let him run.
Just be
You're not
smooth and
gonna
slow
stop.
like
This is
your
the thing
mom.
between bass fishing and saltwater fishermen. Bass are only going to get so big, and they don't
Yep.
pull drag. They
Right.
just shake their head. You pull them through lily pads. These fish out here will smoke line off your reel. You don't do anything. You enjoy that moment. And then when they stop smoking it, that's your turn to get line. But if you're doing anything while he's pulling line on you, if you're reeling,
Yeah.
you ain't doing nothing but sitting there just enjoying it, laughing. That's what you want to do. Then you reel. But if you're doing it, pretty work.
Awesome.
We got two of them. Pretty work.
And we got some good film. Good.
See his teeth?
Yeah, it's a lot worse than a catfish.
Yes. Get your photo in.
Oh.
There you go.
Well, it'll turn red.
Okay.
Okay. And just hold it here. Run, 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 buddy.
These are actually one of the dang funnest inshore fish you can catch because the way they pull.
Yeah. Let him
I
have
mean,
it.
they fight like a bonefish in the Bahamas. That's about the closest thing you can get to.
Don't get in that motor.
Come on back there. He's working your way.
There he is.
With the circle, you'll make a little circle and we'll ease him up like this. Nice.
Hold on to it. I can get the video of him.
Did you get the Spanish mackerel too?
Yep. Good grade. That's fun. That's sweet.
It's pretty cool up here. Here, let me see that.
Don't drop it.